our lesson in latte art is Joseph, who's the director of Barista Training and Development at Café Grumpy. Now, Joseph, you guys make latte art look really, really easy. I know it's actually very, very hard to do, but what do we need to know about doing this thing properly?
It takes a lot of practice, so years and years to like really master it. But today, what we're going to do is we're going to practice the heart. That's kind of the fundamental, like the building block thing.
That's like First Street and First Avenue.
That's
like the building. That's like first
exactly.
Of topping your latte.
So elementary, mastering the heart. Then from there, it's really the building blocks. You can get into tulips, other crazy things.
I've seen leaves.
Yeah, leaves.
I've seen people even do like faces.
Yeah, there's some wild stuff out there.
Cool.
But I'm going to try to wow y'all later with a swan.
A swan?
All right.
Yeah, that's going to be kind of the finishing touch.
All right, well, tell us what to do here.
Yeah, so right now we have our espresso ready. This is the Heartbreaker
Should I do this,
espresso.
or are you going to do this one?
So I will go ahead and demo one,
Great.
and then we have this other one here that we will kind of walk through. So I'm starting off pouring through the espresso. About halfway, I'm going to tilt, and then I get close, and I just give it a little wiggle, and then up and over.
See, you see how easy he made that look? He made that look like it was no problem.
Right?
Yeah, takes a lot of practice.
Oh,
really
yeah,
great.
Jeff.
Okay, so now, all right, so we're gonna give
real
this
quick
a
thing,
swirl.
why do you bang it on the table and swirl it around?
So the longer the milk sits, it's gonna kind of start to separate a little bit, so we want to bring it back together.
Reminder, I failed kindergarten art.
So you're gonna do your best to, go through the middle. Now tilt really far and get really, really close. And keep going, and then up and over. Okay, hey, that's pretty good. That's really not bad.
It's like, do you guys remember the Grinch's heart?
It's a little bit like
basically what my latte art looks like.
It's growing 3
Well,
sizes.
cheers to your Grinchy heart.
Cheers to...
There you go.
My
how's
Grinchy
it
heart.
taste?
Yours looks a lot better. Well,
That's our Heartbreaker espresso.
That's delicious.
Blend of Colombian and Ethiopian. It's a delicious coffee.
That's my go-to espresso.
I heard that was your favorite.
That is Heartbreaker. It is.
Made sure to bring that one for you.
Yeah. So would you say now you're a latte Van Gogh?
There are some. I've actually seen Starry Night on a latte. It's pretty wild. Yeah.
It's amazing.
So there are some people out there that have been.
Well, I'm sure that, like any sort of food or beverage art, it's something you improve upon your whole life.
Sure.
It is.
You know, they have competitions. There's documentaries.
Absolutely.
You
Just
can
like
watch,
cocktail making.
You can watch documentaries on
and cooking.
hardcore latte art. People fly from all over the world to compete in these things. All right, so what are we making now?
This is the swan. So I'm gonna come up the side, down.
Oh, wow.
Just like that.
It's so beautiful. Oh, I don't even want to touch that. It's so beautiful.
It's meant to be destroyed, so you're supposed to drink it.
But not before you take a photo and put it on Instagram.
Exactly.
The swan brings out the
I bet you everybody's coffee is cold at Grumpy's because they're all doing this before they ever get to drink it.
The guy that really got me into coffee and got me more interested in it is right here. This is Ali. So dude, I'm so happy we're here to kind of walk around it and kind of understand a lot more about really what goes into making a great cup of coffee every day. So first thing is weighing the coffee.
Weighing the coffee, then after weighing the coffee, it comes here.
Sure.
And then the coffee shot in.
It goes into the actual drum.
It goes into the actual drum. The coffee comes down. This is where you just see what's going on inside.
What the color is.
Yes, so the beans, when they're finally roasted, they come in here. Great. Sip a little bit of it, little by little, so you feel your palate.
Many of the most important decisions right here in this very humble table.
This is like a humble lab table.
Yeah,
right here.
a humble lab. That's a good way to put it.
So before you brew, you have to
rinse.
Make sure there's no residue. So you see the way it comes down, you have to even it out. So after this, you just tap. So you have your timer. The idea is 23 seconds.
Can I try to make one?
Yes. So it's almost fine, but it's not. You
Why?
can tell there's water coming. The tapping, you did tap it enough. You can tell there's water which came
I should have
fast.
I should have tamped it harder.
Yeah.
See, if I made this at home, I'd be like doing cartwheels.
So now
Huge success for me and a
can-
fail for Ali. I'm not quite yet Grumpy Barista.